my fucking truck.
Alright guys, let's get this show on the road and get you a little bit of box action. Yep, now they got me with the women's. This is the women's Air Jordan 1 Special Edition Sesame White Flash Crimson. These were pretty cool. I got a couple pairs for sale on eBay, StockX and GOAT. Guys, I'm going to tell you that the sneaker market is going under. If you ain't got customers to buy sneakers, you're not going to get your hands on the rare sneakers. I don't know what to tell you. You might want to find a new field, get into the graphics cards or something else if you're getting for selling. If you're back for buying, it's a great time for sneakers. They're gone cheap and people could find most of the shoes they want sit. Go to Foot Locker, find the shoes you've been looking for. Go online, find the shoes you're looking for. People are still buying the rare numbered Jordans. It seems like SBs are gonna weather the storm and come out. But let's focus on this pair of shoes. To me, this is a pretty decent pair of Jordans. Like the little copper accent. Let's give the leather a test. Leather's not the softest leather. Give you guys a little bit of light action. So you guys can see what the shoe looks like with a little bit of light on it. I don't know if you guys saw the women's Air Jordan earlier. I think it was turf oranges. I can't remember what the name of it. But it had the little perforated leather. This has some of that. The holes aren't as big. Then we come into the little copper side panel. With the white Nike swoosh. The little pinkish crimson on the heel. A pinkish crimson Jumpman. This is a women's shoe. Low run, so if you guys have small feet, gang, you could fit it. I believe this one right here is a men's 9.5. So if you're interested in this shoe, you can wear a 9.5. Definitely let me know. I was happy that they at least did the Billy Elliott's in a large run. But like I said, this is a good shoe, guys. If you got feet that could get into it, I would wear this Jordy. Women have been winning, and this colorway is something inside this tab. They got an extra large tab on the back over the toe for some odd reason. Never seen Nike do that before. I'll give you guys a little bit of top action, but there's nothing really remarkable. You just see the tongue and the Jumpman, little powder blue accent. Let me give you guys one more side shot and we'll move on to the next shoe. Alright guys, let's get on with this next shoe. This shoe is one of my favorites this year, so just telling my dad to get you guys a little bit of box action. This is the Vans House of Terror series. I want to thank who's ever at Vans. This is the fastest shipping I got some sneakers. I bought them. They got here the same day. Like, I don't even know how they did it. It didn't even take a couple hours to get these shoes. They cut on the light. I think it maybe took a little bit, like 2 hours to get the shoes somehow. Now, like I said, I don't know how they did it. But like I said, thank you, Vans. I'm not a big Vans guy, you guys know that. I'm going to put the number of whatever Vans this is down in the description. This is the Vans Skate High Terror Nightmare on Elm Street edition. They don't even do a colorway. I'm happy though, because I don't know what they would have described the Freddy Krueger sweater colors as. Freddy Krueger, dirty sweat, and children blood. Alright guys, woohoo! This is if you like horror movies, this is a great shoe. I'm gonna tag my nephew Sammy Jackson. He loves these horror movies. He has a horror channel. I'm gonna put it in the description as well. You guys go and get it. It got some type of bump in the back. I don't know how I feel about that, but it's okay. It's a Freddy Krueger shoe. soon as I seen this shoe, I was like, I had to get it. For some odd reason, you guys aren't up on Vans. Some people are, some people aren't, I guess. But Vans has been doing some great collabs this year. Like I said, this is my favorite. They got me with the Simpsons collab, and now this horror collab is definitely sending it over the top for me. I got the Jasons and a couple other things too. I got the hoodie. I got some slides. And a few other things, like I said, because I just couldn't believe it. I got to bust out my Todd McFarlane and my Funko Pop Freddy Krueger figure. I wanted to have that in this video. It's all canvas material. Blood spatter, as you guys seen over the whole shoe. If you've seen Freddy Krueger's sweater, and you know exactly how this shoe looks, it doesn't smell like Freddy Krueger's jacket. Sweater, and I'm gonna treat mine so it doesn't get dirty. We take to get a little bit of Freddy Krueger slasher laces. Look like he slashed you with the claws. I hope you guys could see that. And then in the inside, it says Vans, Nightmare on Elm Street. Let me cut the light on because it's so dark inside the shoe. Everything gets dark around the shoe. All right, but it says Vans, Nightmare on Elm Street. There's some type of plastic in my shoe. All right, we'll get that out of there. It's a piece of tape. Like I said, if you guys order these shoes, they'll be to you so fast. Before they told me they shipped them, they were at my house. That's how fast they got here. Said, I don't know. They must have knew I wanted them and had pairs waiting for me. All right, guys, let's get on to the next shoe. All right, guys, let me get you some light action. We're going to get out this final shoe. I promise you guys I didn't plan this. I just realized I did it by mistake. And get you a little bit of box action. But I guess that's how stuff is funny. This is the Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG. Light fusion red, black and white, a.k.a. the Ronald McDonald's. It's funny to do Ronald McDonald after doing Freddy Krueger, but that's how shot goes sometimes. We take this stuff out of here. This is a purchase from you guys' favorite shoe rental place. Build up so much credit each month that I'm able to buy shoes practically for free. Thanks to you guys using my promo code, which will be down below in the description. As well as me renting stuff, I get so much back. They put 15% into account for you as well each month. Like I said, if you guys are interested in renting shoes, check my link down below. Let me see, I broke one of these bags, but you see you get black laces in here, extra pair of black laces. Turn the shoe, you get an extra pair of yellow laces, and you get a pair of these faded salmon laces that match the shoe as well. Or whatever this color, fusion red, they're calling it. Cat doesn't like the Ronald McDonald shoes. He's about to jump on them any moment. Don't jump on the shoes, Cat. I need these. Said I got 2 pairs of this shoe. Because like I said, I know I'm going to be putting some mileage on some of them. I didn't like this shoe at first until I seen it in hand. Once I seen it in hand, I said it's not so bad. Even though they call it the Ronald McDonald's, nobody really wants to wear clown shoes, but I think this colorway is more of like an old Miami Heat colorway, like you can see on the tag here. Let me bring it closer. It reminds me of the old Miami Heat, old Miami Vice type colors. Speaking of which, who's going to get that Grand Theft Auto remastered? I cannot wait. I know probably to beat all of those games probably going to take a while. I think I would go back and try to beat every Grand Theft Auto. Yeah, man, it's going to be some good times for gaming. I'm going to do it all in 8K, too, so you guys can come with me and experience it. You don't experience the 8K, but you'll be able to experience me beating all of the Grand Theft Autos. We'll collect every money pouch, do every mission, and just have general good times like we used to have back in the day. I'll do a quick turn again to finish up this video. Like I said, the materials on this shoe isn't the best colorway. It's going to bring attention to your feet, in my beliefs. It's not too far out there. Like I said, y'all know what Ronald McDonald's colors are. This is just a normal Jordy. I also bought this Jordan because it's a Jordan high. I'm just tired of the Jordan mids. We get Jordan 1 midded out. They seem like they're just pumping out mids because they're making so much profit and I guess using less material. So we're going to end it there, guys. Remember, comment, like, and subscribe on the channel. Let me know what shoes you guys want to see next on here. Let me know what shoes are you guys buying right now? Do you think that the sneaker market is going to maintain? Are you switching over to New Balances? Are you buying Nike SBs? How you guys going to continue in the future? Make sure you stay safe out there, guys. Everybody fucking jump!